Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you the number one tool in keyword research which is called as Ahrefs. So I will be telling you that how to do this keyword research step by step to increase traffic on your website very quickly. So this is the Ahrefs tool. Here you can see that this is the site explorer tool. So we will be looking at the top pages of certain websites, certain competitor website, and we will be increasing the traffic on my website, which is codingsiksha.com. So coding is a niche. You can see coding programming. So I will be taking an example of this. So this is the site explorer. You can see my some competitor websites are geeks for geeks. So this is a coding website. I will be finding out the profitable keywords of this website. So this is a very famous website when it comes to programming. So you can see this is a very old website. So I just wanted to get out the most profitable keywords, most high traffic keywords. So if you check the domain age, you will see it is 12 years old and it has got thousands and thousands of articles published. So in this tutorial I will be extracting the most popular pages of this website. So the href tool is number one tool here. You should definitely buy this tool. And for the keyword research, you will see in this way we can do this. We can plug the URL of the website. So you can do this for any competitor website you want to do this. So you can just need to plug the URL here, geeksforgeeks.org. That's it. And now you need to click the search button. So now it will grab all the information about this website. It will show us, you can see the href rank as well, domain rating as well, number of backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords. You can see 3 million organic keywords, organic traffic 11 million, and the traffic value you can see 3 million traffic dollars here, traffic value. So the nice thing about it is that we need to get out the organic keywords. So for this you need to click on this keyword, which is organic keywords. So just click this on href tool here, and now it will tell you the exact keywords that this website is ranking on. It will tell you the countries as well: United States, this much of keywords, India, Canada, United Kingdom. And these are the top keywords here. You can see the volume, keyword difficulty, which is the most important factor. How much difficulty is there to rank for that particular keyword. So I will be hoping that I will be seeing the keyword difficulty below 20 or below 10. So I will be showing you how to make these filters inside Ahrefs tool. So this is cost per click of that particular keyword. So these are very useful information that you can see, and the amount of traffic. You can see 18,000, 16,000, and the position and also the URL. You can click this URL and it will directly land on the page where the traffic is coming here. So you can, this is a nice thing about this tool, Ahrefs tool. And you can see how many keywords are there. So almost 12,000 pages are there. So on each page we have 100 results displayed. So you can see these are the keywords, profitable keywords. You can see now we will filter out. So we will filter out by keyword difficulty, and we only want maximum to 20. So I will apply keyword difficulty 20 here. So minimum is 20. So you can see minimum is 20. So now you will see the keyword difficulty maximum up to 20 here. So you can see these are the most profitable keywords here. Python stack. So if I click this keyword here, it will tell me more information about this keyword. So how much difficulty is there in order to rank for this keyword. So if you click this, more information will be there. So in this way, you can better research your keywords before you write any sort of article on your website. That way your traffic will also increase in the long run. You will see 5.7 clicks are there and the medium difficulty is there. So you definitely can easily rank for this keyword. And also the global volume is also shown 8.2 clicks. United States being the highest number country which are receiving this, India, Taiwan, United Kingdom. And also they also show you some other keywords as well related to this keyword. So this is a very good. You can also view all as well like this, and these are the top ranking pages for these keywords. So in this way you can smartly pick those keywords which are very easy to rank for, and then you can make a notepad file and then you can, in my case, I have made a file here, notepad file, and I copy these keywords into a file, and whenever I am writing blogs, I just pick these keywords and write about it. So very simple, very simple. So in this way you also need to do this. So you can see full adder. So I just like this, I can copy this as well, simply control C, and then I can plug this inside my file here like this. Just copy it, and in this way I have, you can see these are all my keywords. So I have picked these keywords, I will write about it inside my blog. So I write about 100 to 150 blog posts per day. So through this approach I write almost 150 blog posts per day. So that way your traffic will also increase at exponential rate, because you are writing more blog posts at in one day, and your blog will start ranking for multiple keywords like this in very fast time. So you need to be writing more blog posts following this approach. And now we can also filter out by traffic as well. So we can apply a filter as well. Maximum, we want the pages which have got the maximum traffic, which is 600, let's suppose. So it will only show those keywords which are getting the most traffic here. You can see, now you can see at most 600 traffic we want. So these are the keywords. You can see, you can copy these keywords like this. You can do this for any sort of website. So this is a very nice thing about it. You can see, so these are the high traffic keywords. You can see their keyword difficulty is also low, and they have got high traffic. You can also change this. Let's suppose I change this to 1000. Sorry. So keyword difficulty is 20 and the traffic is 1000. So these are the gold keywords that you can find on a blog with the help of Href tool. So you can see length of string Python, Python convert list to string. So these are the low difficulty keywords, and they have also got high amount of traffic as well. So you can just pick these keywords, write uh, as quickly as possible, write blogs about it, and your website will start ranking for these keywords definitely in short amount of time. You can do it for any kind of website. So you can see 7,000 pages are there. You can just go to the second page, and you can just copy these keywords and just store it inside a text file. And whenever you are writing on the blog here, you can just pick these keywords and write blogs about it. And the next thing that I want to show you is the top pages. So in Href tool, you will also see on the left hand side, you can also filter out the blog post by top pages. So if you now click this top pages, it will show you the top pages of a certain website. So you can see this is the top page of this website. So you can directly click the website URL. You can open this inside new tab. So this is a uh, page where most of the traffic is going for this website. So in this way also you can just filter out the pages which is having the most traffic here. So you can see almost 200 pages are there. So also the keywords are also mentioned here. You can see scanner, Java initialize, array, pre-order, traversal, merge sort. And in this way also you can just filter out the keyword difficulty as well. So here you can mention 20 and click apply. So it will only show those pages which have got a keyword difficulty of below 20 here. You can see, and you can also find out high CPC keywords as well. So here you can provide a value as well. So also you can filter out by position, also the traffic volume as well. Let's suppose we only want pages with at least 1000 traffic. So if you apply this filter, now it will only show those pages which have got at least 1000 traffic. So you can see. And last but not least, if you want to export all these results, you can click the export button here, and now it will export this all these data inside a Excel file. So simply you can export this. Either you can do it for Microsoft Excel or Open Office here. Let me just select Microsoft Excel. So if you just click the export button, you can just export this. So a file will be downloaded here. So it will take some time because lots of results are there. So after exporting it, it will download it as a Excel file. So in this way, you can just use the Href tool to find out the keywords which are very profitable and also have high traffic. So thanks very much for watching this video.